is the Turtle Wax Spot Clean, Stain, and Odor Remover. 16 ounces, $7.99. So for under $8, if this thing performs even half decent, it is something you may want to add to your arsenal when it comes to interior upholstery cleaning. Today, I'm going to show you here what it can do on different types of stains, from grease stains to mustard to ketchup, iced tea, and Coca-Cola staining on a tan floor mat. The first thing you want to do is vac thoroughly. As indicated on the label, all you really need to start is the Spot Clean and two microfibers. One to clean up and agitate and scrub the carpet, the other one to mop up the moisture. First, shake the bottle, then hold the trigger 6 to 8 inches from the carpet and the stain. Pull the trigger until the foam fully covers the affected area. Let the foam dwell for 30 seconds minimum, up to a minute or so, before grabbing your first microfiber. Agitating and scrubbing the area will begin from there. Follow up with the second microfiber. Mop up, clean up any remaining dirt or moisture. And then you can repeat as often as needed or as necessary until you clean up the stain. I'm just going to do one round each for each of these stains, just to give you an idea of what the spot cleaner is capable of, its strengths and weaknesses. The last two steps will be to vac thoroughly once again and let it dry completely. Some decent improvement. You can still see an outline. A second or third round would be necessary to clean this up completely, but that'll give you an idea what it does on grease. So that grease has been in this floor mat for quite some time. We're also going to cover mustard, Coca-Cola, iced tea stained, and ketchup stains. Let's jump right to the mustard. That one is a difficult one. Moisture, wine, blood, certain liquids will dye the fibers of your carpet permanently, or can be just really hard, extremely hard to get them clean. For something like this, it may be necessary to bring something into the equation like a scrub brush. Agitate with the brush, it gets deep down further into the fibers to help clean the area. Using the product, the area is clean, but I'm just going to tell you it's going to have a hard time with the semi-permanent staining that has happened to the fibers of the carpet. Next up, cherry coke, the caramel cola color, and then add in the flavoring, the cherry, which is a red dye, and that can also be a nightmare. I did find that the Turtle Wax Spot Clean does an excellent job when it comes to these liquids. Next up, tea stains. I also have found so far that it does a great job with tea or tannin stains as well. And finally, let's work on this ketchup stain. It also does a decent job on these types of stain, ketchups, barbecues. It all depends as well how long these liquids have been soaking into the carpet and the fibers. The only thing we have left to work on here is the mustard. So let's give it a second round, see if we can improve it even further. Once again, the area is clean, but the outline of the mustard still stained the carpet. The rest looks good. So that's just a few of many stains that can happen in your vehicle, but this gives you an idea of its strengths and weaknesses.